Hello and welcome to Freestyle Friday. Today's tip is called catch-up swim. You might know this drill, but you might not know why it is important and what to focus on while doing it. If you want to swim faster, but with less effort, you need to maximize your stroke efficiency. Many would think that if you pull harder, then you can move farther with each stroke. And they are not wrong, but there is a better, easier way. Try this. For this exercise, wait until your arm finishes the pull and the recovery to start pulling with your other arm. While you pull, make yourself longer by reaching forward with your other arm. Do this a couple of times to see how you can move easily through the water while your other arm waits. When you swim, don't wait until your other arm comes back completely. Start your other pull when your hand passes your head, or just think of holding the arm in front a little longer. This technique works best for a distance of a 200 and above, or for an 85% effort or below. If you want proof that this works, just watch Ian Thorpe break the 400 world record. In the first 50 alone, he took 22% less strokes than the guy who got second. Thorpe took 27 strokes. The guy who got second took 35 strokes. I'll leave a link in the description of the full race. Before you go, help us by clicking that like button. Here are more videos that could be of interest to you. Thanks for watching. Swim fast!